Hello, my name's Mel, welcome to my world, and for those of you that are new to my channel, it's all about self-built DIY campervans and campervan related stuff. So if that's something that interests you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Now, regular viewers of my channel are probably thinking, who's this beautiful lady behind me? Well, this is JD, and JD's here in her campervan, and I want to show you how JD has built her bed. So I'm here today with JD in her amazing Sprinter campervan, and JD and her husband Dave has built this amazing bed as well, and that's why I want to show you. I want to show you this bed they've built because I think a lot of you will be quite interested in how this amazing bed actually works. So I'm going to hand you over to JD and let her explain and give you a bit of a backstory how they ended up with this quite unique bed.
Hi there, thank you Mel. This is an Ottoman bed from IKEA. My son's decided to go up to a king size bed, so this was chucked out on the driveway, and I'm then thinking we could use that in the van. So this has a ratchet system, and it goes up in stages, so I'll just show you that. So we can do partly up, and that's all the way up. So with it all the way up, we can actually access and go over this here and get into the garage area. So we can access the garage area from this side rather than having to go out to the back doors and come in that way. So if it's tracking down with rain, we want something in the back, we can then just lift the bed up and access it that way.
That's a really good idea, because the one problem I've got with my van is if it's raining and I open the back doors, my bed's all going to get wet.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, so that's why I like this idea.
Oh,
it's a really good idea for that reason.
Yeah.
That and I've got a door at the front. Is that a door there at the front?
Yeah, we've got a slide door as well.
Okay. I was just going to ask if that panel moves. There you go. Look.
That slides over, and
it's a porta potty.
that way. Yeah, and then we've got our porta potty, which we can then bring out, use and place back. We are going to put a frame around the actual portaloo so that it doesn't move on travel.
Okay, so you're just going to put some battens in the floor and basically have a little framework for it to sit in.
Yeah.
That's really neat. I really like it, JD.
Thank you.
And that's safe, is it? That's not going to fall down on you?
No, that's nice and safe. He's made it very safe, and then just to all the way
up.
up.
See, so that's a ratchet.
Come all the way down.
That's really good. I really like it.
It works.
It's a fantastic idea.
Thank you.
Really does make a lot of sense.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So don't throw your Ottoman beds away.
And you were going to throw it away?
We were going to throw it away, yeah.
So you go.
Just break it down and just get rid of it. So, yeah, we've recycled it.
Upcycled it.
Upcycled it,
It's the new buzzword, upcycled.
Yeah. So if we go around to the back doors, I can show you the framework that Dave's built in the van to actually accommodate the Ottoman bed.
That's a really good idea. Just show us how it works.
Okay. So this is how strong the bed actually is. Dave's made a good framework around the bed. So we've gone for the width of the double, and then we decided to put a little closet on here as well. Which, you won't be able to see it.
It's okay.
So this has just got our shelving, and we're going to put all our clothes and things in here. So it just used up that last bit of the space to the side of the van.
It's worked out really well, isn't it?
Yeah, we think so. We're proud of it.
Unlike my van, I've got the bed going that way, like crossways. That's why by doing it lengthways, you've gained that extra cupboard space.
And then we're going to put things into holdalls. A lot of people I've seen have put their clothes into holdalls, and then we put the holdalls into the there on the shelves. Right.
That's really strong, obviously.
Yeah, it's nice and strong and sturdy, so it's not going anywhere. And then, Dave's just done the framing underneath, which I'm very proud of him.
He's done a really neat job. And is Dave a carpenter?
Well, he should be with the amount of tools that he's been buying. Like they say, you're as good as your tools, aren't you? If you've got the tools, then you can do the job.
Yeah, he's certainly done a really neat job of that. So there you go, if you like this video, please do give Jade the thumbs up, and don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing, and by subscribing to my channel you help me feed a cat, and Jade feed a dog, and they're always hungry. Thanks for watching, ta-ra for now.
Work and get to your stuff. Yeah. You've got a sliding door. Like the dog.
Right, so where did I get up to now?
Well,
I like to be on the bed though.
Yeah.
Close about getting in there, we didn't always get in there. So if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. And don't forget, if you do like the channel, please consider subscribing. Oh, I'm terrible, Dave. Oh, no. Right, good. Right, glad it's catching.
Not easy, is it?
Oh, it is. What else to say about it?